If speaking English is intimidating, and you don't always get the chance to practice, then we can help. Whether you're a beginner, intermediate, or advanced, the conversation workshops are the perfect opportunity to practice in a small group at the same level as you.
The workshops are fun, plain, and simple, which is what makes it easy to go back week after week.
I have a really busy schedule, but since there are so many workshops offered at different times during the week, I've always been able to find at least 1 hour to treat myself.
It gave me the chance to practice with other students, which I find less intimidating than speaking to a teacher.
I didn't realize I was learning because I was having so much fun.
All the workshops are free. Register or visit us at the Julien-Couture Resource Centre now.